The blockade and terrorist war imposed on Syria 12 years ago have made the health sector one of the hardest hit. Despite the damage, the country's health workers are doing an excellent job in response to the current difficult situation as a result of the earthquake. Let's see.
At least 5,500 people have been injured in the 4 provinces of Syria that were hit by the earthquake. The 1,131 injured in the coastal provinces of Tachia, as well as others in other affected regions, have all the city's medical personnel at their service, mainly at the Tachia National State Hospital.
We tried to do our duty to work as hard as we could to provide a rapid response. And what helped us was that many doctors from other provinces came to support our work in the midst of the lack of equipment and personnel that we suffered. I hope that the injured will recover soon. May God rest the souls of the deceased.
Not a single doctor has failed in their duty, working day and night, 24 hours a day, to give us all the attention and medical care we need. I am very grateful for the heroism of all the doctors, nurses, technicians, and administrative staff of the hospital.
Despite the lack of medicines, doctors are working day and night to save the survivors of the disasters, equipment and medical supplies. This is a task they say they are carrying out in defiance of the coercive measures imposed by the same Western states that claim to be defenders of human life.
Even before this disaster, we had a shortage of medical equipment and spare parts for the maintenance, but thanks to the will of our staff, we were able to respond quickly. However, the problem is not over yet, and we are in need of a lot of help.
The World Health Organization has seen this harsh reality on the ground. It has distributed 110 tons of medical supplies to affected areas in Syria and called for a redoubling of efforts to reach more affected populations in all regions. The National Hospital in Latakia, like all hospitals in Syria, have lack of medical equipment and supplies due to war and blockade, a situation that demands not only the immediate lifting of the West's coercive measures, but also the help of the international community to deal with the aftermath of the earthquake.
TeleSUR, Syria.